When my emotion on the notion, my devotion's doubted. A locomotion which no potion ever could unshroud it. That day I broke my heart, the muscle torn apart. That smart's hard to thwart or part from the start. Revolution on its skin, motion contained within. So let's begin, it's been a minute to the chance to win. So we can grin and laugh half-hearted within this heart and live life never started. And then my strings would tug, thought I had someone from above to hold true, but who knew my adore was the flu. Took the cue through a cool bit of due to the influenza. Put a damper on the friendly banter. Look for an answer, turn to stanza. More dream per chance to sleep in a heap of imaginated infatuation. Turns to an agitation with worn out patience. Even aggravation comes from imagined adulation. Look into the mirror at my own damn eyes, the barrel lies. The guise is clearer and nearer, not a nihilist compromise. Hypnotized by arid lies, advice stare with open eyes, and quiet questions are revitalized. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. My heart is beating quicker, the lighting starts to flicker. Don't stand there bicker, just shock my ticker. I need some vigor, don't post on Twitter. My mouth is bitter, it's not a kidder. Matter of fact, it's serious, it's not from liquor. Deliriousness is overtaking me, unless it's surgery aggresses immediately. I scream furiously, nevertheless I cease to be. I hear the chitter, feel that last caress as my last breath leaves. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. That crack, there's life, snap back alive, feel hyphen, heal the hyphen, rejoin stripes, destroying gripes, not the type to rap or write, and life's a stipend, joys are heightened, jump and jive, funks inside, and life I'm liking, not to toot my pipe, but I'm now enlightened. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping. Hearts broken, wounds are open. Foolish me, but I can't stop hoping.